In today's video, we will uncover the top 5 workflow automation tips using AutoGen. You'll learn how to optimize your automation strategies for increased efficiency and competitiveness in 2026. Did you know that by 2026, businesses utilizing advanced workflow automation tools like AutoGen are predicted to outperform their competitors by 50% in efficiency? Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 5 workflow automation tips with AutoGen that will help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're new to automation or looking to refine your current strategies, these tips are designed to provide you with actionable insights that can be implemented right away. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of AutoGen in transforming your workflow. Efficient task scheduling is the backbone of any successful automated workflow. With AutoGen, you have access to an array of scheduling features that can streamline your processes. Begin by understanding task dependencies within your workflow to ensure that related tasks are scheduled sequentially without conflicts. AutoGen's intuitive interface allows you to set priorities and balance workloads effectively, ensuring that no single resource is overburdened. By leveraging its calendar view, you can visualize and adjust task timings to optimize efficiency. Remember, the goal is to maximize throughput while minimizing delays. As you become more familiar with AutoGen, you'll find that fine-tuning these schedules can lead to significant improvements in your overall productivity.
One of AutoGen's standout features is its ability to customize agent behaviors to suit your specific workflow needs. Start by defining the roles each agent will play in your automation process. With AutoGen, you can adjust parameters to increase the precision of these agents, ensuring they perform tasks exactly as required. This customization is crucial for adapting to unique workflows and for optimizing performance. As you implement changes, it's important to monitor outcomes and iterate based on performance data and user feedback. This continuous improvement loop ensures that your automation strategies remain aligned with evolving business needs and technological advancements.
To truly maximize the potential of AutoGen, integrating third-party tools can significantly enhance your automation capabilities. The first step is to identify tools that are compatible with AutoGen and align with your workflow objectives. AutoGen supports a wide range of integrations through APIs, allowing for seamless data flow and connectivity across platforms. By expanding your toolset, you can automate more complex processes and improve overall efficiency. Whether it's CRM systems, project management tools, or data analytics platforms, the ability to customize integrations means you're not limited by AutoGen's native features. This flexibility is key to creating a robust and scalable automation environment that meets your unique business requirements.
An often overlooked aspect of workflow automation is the efficient management of system resources. AutoGen provides several tools to help you allocate resources effectively. Start by analyzing current system usage and identifying potential bottlenecks. By monitoring performance metrics, you can adjust resource allocations to prevent overuse and ensure high availability of critical systems. Optimizing hardware utilization not only boosts performance but also reduces costs associated with underutilized resources. Remember, a well-balanced system is key to maintaining smooth operations and preventing downtime, which can disrupt your automated workflows. AutoGen's analytics capabilities offer a wealth of information that can drive informed decision-making. Accessing comprehensive analytics allows you to interpret key metrics that indicate the performance of your automated workflows. Look for trends and patterns that highlight areas for improvement or optimization. By formulating strategies based on data, you can make adjustments that enhance efficiency and productivity. Additionally, AutoGen provides real-time performance tracking, enabling you to respond swiftly to any issues that arise. Leveraging this data effectively turns insights into actionable steps, ensuring that your automation strategies are always aligned with your business goals.
Even with the best planning, issues can arise in any automated system. AutoGen offers several resources to help troubleshoot common problems effectively. Start by identifying typical errors that may occur and refer to AutoGen's step-by-step troubleshooting guide for resolution. Utilizing support resources such as help forums and customer service can provide additional assistance. Implementing preventive maintenance practices reduces the likelihood of recurring issues, ensuring smoother operations. Additionally, engaging with the AutoGen user community can offer shared solutions and insights from others who have faced similar challenges.
As your business grows, your workflow automation needs will evolve. Understanding scalability within AutoGen is crucial for future-proofing your processes. Begin by assessing your current scalability needs and exploring options that accommodate growth. AutoGen offers scalable solutions that can be adjusted as your business expands. This includes leveraging cloud capabilities for greater flexibility and capacity. By planning for scalability, you ensure that your workflows remain efficient and effective even as demands increase. This forward-thinking approach prevents disruptions and maintains the integrity of your automation strategies over time.
User feedback is an invaluable asset in refining your automation strategies. To gather meaningful feedback, engage with users through surveys, interviews, and direct interactions. Analyzing this feedback provides actionable insights that can guide improvements in your automation processes. Implementing changes based on user input not only enhances the user experience but also ensures that your strategies align with user needs and expectations. Establishing a feedback loop encourages continuous improvement, keeping your automation solutions relevant and effective. Remember, the goal is to create an adaptable system that evolves with your users' requirements.
And there you have it, the top 5 workflow automation tips with AutoGen to help you stay competitive in 2026. Remember, mastering these techniques will not only optimize your workflows but also provide a significant edge in your industry. We encourage you to engage with us by leaving comments, sharing your thoughts, and voting on future topics you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on workflow automation and other productivity enhancing strategies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.